Hello, guys. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to our evening live trading session. All right. So this is the session, where we try to sort out the entries we took on the afternoon live session, the analysis we made. Okay. So this is where we break it down. I educate you. You get to learn how you can start trading this. Doing this analysis all by yourself. Right. So my name is Leo, and I remain your guide. So quickly, a quick one, guys. You see, I keep telling you every day, day by day, come and join our premium group. You know, go hear word. Let me show you something quickly. Let me show you something quickly. You see, this is the profit from today. This is the profit from just today alone. Come and join our premium group. You $2 okay? This is 2 point something dollar, close to $3, another close to $3 trade. See, only this alone, this is about if I'm not mistaken, this should be around $7 to $8, okay? Plus this one, all of this is about $10. So just imagine making $10 per day. Yeah, just like this, making $10 per day like this. Imagine how much you can accumulate within a week. Guys, just do the math. So you see, this is why it is very important. You are here, you want to learn. Okay. So learning and then making money at the same time. See, there are two different things. All right. But if you are just here and you want to learn, you want to keep learning. Babe, waiting for ginger you. The reason why you are here is because you want to make money, and I'm already making it easy for all of us. Okay, and I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, so all you have to do is just deposit. Just let me not use the word deposit. Fund your account. Okay, your trading account. The normal way you fund and trade. Okay, fund your account with at least $15. And if you want to fund, go to the chat room right now. Click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay, click on it, fund the account with at least $15, and I get you into the premium group. All right, and you start making all this money with us. All right, this is a real account. You see, this is not a demo account. All right, you start making this money. Okay, this exactly something like this. Okay, you start to make it with us. All right, you make money as you learn. Okay, so on the evening session like this, you come, you learn. Even though you are not able to be in the afternoon session, it doesn't matter. See, if you are already on the premium group, it doesn't matter if you can't come for the afternoon session. The most important thing is make sure you are on the premium group. Once you are there, signals will come in anytime, any day. Okay, when the setup is ready, I'll call out the signal and I'll even tell you when to get out. All right. Most of the time, we don't wait until the market gets to the TP. All right. I tell everybody, oh yeah, let's start closing some trade. Though it is important we start closing some trade now so that we can, take out the little profit that we've already gotten. Okay. So guys, please, it is very important. Have you know want make money? So I love money, and I'm sure you do too. Okay, so just make sure you fund your account, and if you want to do it, guys, please make sure you are doing it on this live stream. Okay, if you want to fund your account, make sure you are funding on this live stream, and the only way you can fund on this live stream that is going to be, for me to get you into the premium group, go to the chat room right now. You see a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make deposit. All right, that is the only way. If you fund through that way, then I'll add you into the premium group. Please, if you're not funding using that banner, don't come and meet me later and be saying, I deposited but you didn't add me. I can't add you. All right, so guys, let's go into today's business. Let me just take this screen out and share my trading screen. All right, so today I want to make um, you see, this is the other trade. This is the final trade I'm waiting for today. This is um, the next trade I want to give to my premium members. All right. So if you fund right now, you have the chance to make this money with us. Okay. There's money here. All right. I'm seeing the money already. So if you want to make this money with us, go and fund your account right now. All right. So if you fund on this live stream, I get you into the premium group, and then you make this money with us. All right. So today, Or better still, let me do it this way. I think I've been the one, making all the decisions and everything. Today, let me give you guys a chance. All right, let me give you guys a chance because I know some of us are here and we don't even understand things that maybe we don't understand. You don't understand everything that I've been explaining right from the beginning. You can actually tell me right now, okay, if there's any part that I've explained before, maybe from our previous sessions, that you don't understand, or maybe you've tried out and it's not working, right? You can actually ask me right now. So I'll go back to those topics and make sure that I explain better. You understand? See, please don't be shy. This platform is for learning. Okay, this session particularly is for learning. All right. So that is why the sessions are segmented into two. All right, the afternoon session and then the evening session. This is the session where you get to ask whatever question pertaining to trading, whatever question you have. This is the session where you ask. All right. So guys, please, if you have anything you want me to touch on everything that we've explained earlier, please feel free to ask me. Okay. And then if you have anything in mind that you want me to do, me, I will just start doing whatever is in my mind right now that I think will be beneficial to you guys. All right. But if you have anything on mind that you want me to talk about, you can all just go to the chat room and comment whatever you want me to say. Just write it there, and I'll fire. Okay, so today, let me just go on with my normal activity, and I'll await your question or whatever you want to ask me. So today I'll continue with analysis making. All right, I'll continue because those are the most important thing a trader needs before he or she can actually start making money from the forex market. There's no way you want to make money from the forex market without knowing how to analyze the market. It is very, 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 very important. I keep saying this on all of both the afternoon session and even the evening session. I keep saying it every time that if you want to be a profitable forex trader, you need to know how to look at the chart, right? Yeah, it's not going to happen every day. Don't let me lie, okay? Let me tell you the truth. It's not good. You are not going to be seeing it every day, right? But if you know exactly what you are looking for, if you are able to get 70% of the market, you are already a professional. Okay. In fact, most professionals they don't go above 65%, but they still call themselves professionals. You understand? So if you're able to get up to that 65%, if you know what is going on in this market, okay, if you are able to guess and your guess is about 65% accurate, no guy, you don't go. You understand? You don't go. So those are the analyses that I've made from earlier, and you see they started playing out, even though I didn't, later check the market. I drew this, I think this morning, yeah, maybe this morning or yesterday evening, stuff like that. I drew this. I actually drew it after this, got taken out. So I knew the market was going to come back here because there was a gap around here that the market was coming back to fill. I knew it was going to come back, but you know honestly sometimes and again, yeah, taking all the trade every time is not possible. So most of the time you lose a setup, but it doesn't matter. All right, so what I mean by lose a setup is sometimes you see a trade and you'll be like, I will definitely take this trade today, but it will never happen. Maybe you forgot, or maybe when you started analyzing another market, you just forget about this one, and then the next thing you come to check and it's already playing out. And this is one of the scenarios. All right, but no Lily, you understand? No, no shaking. So even though we didn't catch this, we can always catch another one. But this thing pay me sha because this could have been a very good trade. All right, I love trades like this. I love trades that come back to my POI. So what I call POI is my point of interest, right? And when I say point of interest, I'm talking about support or resistance, okay? So that key point that I want the market to come back to, that is I call it, that's why I name it POI, point of interest, all right? So anytime you see me saying POI, I mean my point of interest, and that is what I've written here, okay, on that box. So I actually did this yesterday, and it's played out today. You see, it played out. It almost hit TP now. So, but today let's do something fun again. All right, let's do something fun again. Uh, let's look for something that we can actually do. So yesterday we took this trade. I remember we took this trade yesterday, last night. Yeah, okay. We took this trade. You see, it almost hit our TP before it started, going up. But something happened here last night. We actually got taken out of the market because of the wide spread. Okay, so most of these things happen when a new candle is forming in the market. All right. So guys, if you took this trade yesterday, I knew some of us we were able to take profit. I was able to take profit before the market actually got before the actual market took me out. Okay. So I opened three positions, and when this market got to this point, lucky for me, I was on the trade. I was watching this trade. So the market just came down, once. So when it came down, I was able to close two positions. All right. I closed two positions. The next thing, the new daily candle was forming. So when the new daily candle always starts around 10 p.m. Okay, the new candle of the day will start forming by 10 p.m. sharp at night. All right. So when it started forming, I think this was the candle it started with. This was the candle, this black candle. Or no, I think it was this candle. So immediately it came down. I closed few positions, left one, and then the next thing, there was a wide margin. The market was still reading here, but the other market was here. So I got taken out instantly. I knew some of us, must have gotten taken out at that moment. That is why I always say, when you take any trade, don't wait until the market gets to TP. All right, because I know some of us will be like, the TP is there already. Let me see if I can make up to $10 from this just one trade. No, 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 no. You don't trade that way. All right. So if you are a trader, if you want to be a professional trader, you need to learn what we call risk management, and then you need to learn what we call run away with your profit. All right. I love to call it run away with your profit, because when I'm trading and I start seeing that good profit, maybe I'm eyeing $5. All right. And then I started seeing like maybe $3 to $4. Oh my God, I'm closing that trade. Right? The reason why I'm closing that trade is because most of the time, nobody can be certain about take profits. All right, we just speculate that there's a low here, so definitely the market is going to come down to this low. All right, so most of the time the market will actually play out, but for the market to get to your profit, it will turn wahala. You understand? So that is why I always tell whoever I'm teaching. Okay, I always tell all of my students, anytime you want to Uh, just a moment. Let me just check my network. Sorry about that, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Um, there was a power surge, and I needed to check that out. All right. So let's go on. Let's go on. Now, so that was what happened yesterday on this trade. All right. So that is how the forex market works. All right. Your entries will not always get triggered, you know, and sometimes you take entries and it will take you out. So losses are also part of trading. All right. So this is just how it is. All right. So being a forex trader is very hard sometimes, but if you know when you are comfortable with what you are doing, you start to enjoy the profit. All right. So right now you are learning, you might be feeling, this thing, see, it seems a bit hard though. No, 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 it's not hard. Okay. This was created by a human being like you and me. All right. And me that I'm teaching you right now, I'm a human being like you. All right. So if I was able to learn this, then you can learn this also. All you have to do is just pay attention. All right. And again, I advise you to join my premium class, premium group. Okay. So that when you are making money and you are learning at the same time, you get that sweetness with the thing they bring for body. I don't know if you understand. You understand? Yeah. So money is a great motivator actually. So that is why I, always tell all my students that it is very important that when you are learning and there's a way to make money from whatever it is that you are doing, it gingers you even more. All right. And that is why I've tried to make this platform that way. Okay. So that it will not just be we are like as if we are just talking every day. All right. So now let's look for something to do. Let's see if we can actually get an entry. Let's see if we can get an entry and then see if we can get any opportunity. So I'm just going to analyze this market for you guys to see. All right. Just going to analyze. I'm not going to be doing anything too much. All right. So I'm not going to be doing anything too much. I'm just going to be focusing on analysis. Okay. I'm just going to be focusing on analysis. So here we had a change of character. All right. This was the last low, or rather, this was the last low. This was a high. This is a high. This is a low. This is the last low before we had a down. Okay. Before this was the last low that got broken around this area. All right. So I love to call that break of structure. Okay. So that was the last low, and then the market came back up to retest. Okay, so this is a retest, all right? And then the market went back, broke this, came back to retest, came back, broke it, and then we had a change of character around this area. Okay, so we call this a minor change of character because the trend, the trend is still uptrend. So anything that happened here would seem like the only place that we can get a real change of character on the higher time frame is from this. This is the real change of character. Okay. And sorry guys, I know for some of us that are just joining us for the first time, we will be like, waiting this guy they talk now, waiting be change of character. So change of character can also be called market structure shift. All right, that is maybe your market was previously on uptrend, you see something like this market was coming up. Okay, so it changed direction. Now for you to know that the market changed direction, you need to look at um, your previous high, your previous low, and your previous high, or your previous high and your previous low. All right, so the market, anytime the market is moving up, it's always creating something we call higher highs and higher lows. All right, so these are higher highs. Let me just draw these things out. This is a low, this is a high, This is a low. This is a high. A low. A high. A low. A high. A low. A high. You see? Okay, sorry. This is a low. This is a high, and this is a low also. All right. So that is it. So we had this low, high, low, higher low, higher low. So now, guys, how is this a higher high? How do I know this is a higher high and a higher low? Look at this. We had this low. Okay, I just decide to take it. You can decide to take it from anywhere. Okay, you can actually take this from anywhere. I took it from here because this is where I'm currently looking at. All right. So this is a low. Okay, and then when the market went up, we call it a high. Why did we call it a high? Because it broke this structure. Okay, this was a high. This was a previous high. All right, that created this low. The market came from here to this down, so we call this the high, and then we call this low. Now when it got broken, this is still a low, and we had a new higher high. We call it a high because it's higher than this high. All right, and then this is a higher low because the low is higher than this low. So it's just the normal way, higher high, higher low. There's no super meaning, there's no other meaning. Okay, it's just higher high and higher lows. All right, and then we have this high also that was created after this was broken. All right, this high was broken, and then we have this high, and then this low was created also. All right, the market came back down, created this low, and is higher than this low, so we call this a higher low. Okay, because this low is at the top of this, it didn't break this. All right, so we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, and then our last higher high. Okay, so when this high was created, there was no other high that broke it. Okay, so no high break this. This is the last high, and it hasn't gotten broken since after this was created. Okay, so now the market started coming down. You see, it created another week here, but it didn't break this. Okay, so now it's creating a lower high. That means the market is going down. I hope you understand the arithmetic that happened here now. This it was previously creating highs, higher highs. That's, you see, the highs, they just keep breaking the previous high. They keep breaking the previous high. This broke this previous high. This broke this previous high. This also broke this previous high. Okay, and then this high, this recent high broke this high. But there's no high that broke this. This is the last high, and it's there. Okay, nothing has broken it ever since this was created. Look at this. After this was created, there's nothing at the top again. Okay, after this market came to this level, there was nothing broke it. So this is our last high. All right, and then the market started making a move to the downside. Now that the market is making a move to the downside, it started to create a lower high. Okay, now what we mean by lower high is this is a high also, but it's lower than this. Okay, it didn't break it the way these ones were breaking it to the top side. That means the market is now changing direction to the downside. Okay, so what I like to do here is I drew out my last low. Okay, this can be my last low. I can use this as my last low, or this. Okay, this is just a week, so I can actually decide to use this as my last low. Okay, because it took this out, and I don't want something that took another market out. But no worries, we can actually we can use, let's just use this, okay, for educational purpose. You can decide to use anyone you want. So this is our last low, and this was our last high. Okay, now I'm waiting for a market that to take out my last low, and it got taken out here. What I mean by take out is it broke it out. Okay, now that it broke it out, it's a confirmation for me that this market will continue to go down. I hope you understand. Please, if there's any part you don't understand, you can always tell me to go back. All right, I will go back and refresh and re-explain everything. All right. So this market got broken out around this area, and then we had this um, other block support around this area. Okay, we had this support around this area. Guys, don't worry. The next thing that I'm going to show you is how you can start placing trade on your BTC Dana trading application. You see, the reason why this is important, this thing that I'm showing you right now, the reason why it's important is because it is not just about going into your chart and start placing trades. All right, you need to know how to be able to read the market. Okay, you need to be able to read the forex chart. Okay, so right now I'm able to read the chart. That is why I make profit. All right, so if you want to become a great forex trader, a professional forex trader, in fact, you can actually quit your job and start trading this, start trading on forex. But that is only when you get comfortable. Okay, when you are able to trade the forex market, when you are able to see what is going on in the forex market the way it should be seen. You understand? So right now you are on the learning process, and while you are learning, you want to, make sure that no information is getting away. Okay, you want to make sure that everything is sinking in. All right. So, and that is why I'll employ you guys. If you know you are able to deposit up to $200, I'll make sure that everything here is not just going to be a general explanation. Okay, you can have a one-on-one session with me where I'll make this explanation just within 1 hour, and I swear to God, you will understand. If I have to open your brain and make sure that you understand it, I'll make sure I do that. I'm just kidding with you guys, all right? Anybody can actually do this. You just need to pay attention, all right? You just need to pay attention. So what I'm trying to say here is I marked out the last high and the last low that was created that didn't get broken. Okay, we have this last low here that created this high. You can use this also. This was our last low, isn't it? Yeah, we can actually use this. This was our last low. We can actually use this. But I just want to use this so that we can actually see it more clearer. Okay, so I use this, and the market, actually um, the market came up to this level, broke it, okay, and then the market went ahead and then retest the last, high, the last lower high, okay. It retested the last lower high, and then the market came down. So the market is coming back to this area right now. Why is it coming back to this area? Because there's still some gaps that needs to be filled. All right, there's still some gaps that needs to be filled. So what I mean by gaps that needs to be filled is that look at all these areas. We call these gaps. Okay, we call these gaps. Or better still, don't pay attention to the gaps that I'm saying. Okay, because I know that will be a bit hard for you guys that are just starting out. Let me just say, we have this support, we have this resistance around this area. Okay, we have this resistance around this area. The market has, this was the first touch, this was the second touch. Now it's coming to make a third touch, and this third touch now, the market is going to continue to go down. You understand? So that is what I'm currently waiting on AUD JPY. Okay. See, trading is very easy. Okay, you just have to sync it. Okay, just make sure that everything you are doing, um, make sure that you understand all the explanations that I'm making, and then after the lesson, you go to your chart and do the same thing on your own chart. Okay, it's just as easy as that. So let's do something else. Let's do something else, guys. I said you can actually tell me if there's anything you want me to do, if there's anything you want us to do, you can actually tell me, just comment on the comment section below. Okay, just tell me, Leo, let's do this today. Show us this, and I'll gladly show you guys. All right. All right. All right. All right. So I am currently no, this shouldn't be here. This isn't what I wanted to put there. Okay, so this is what I wanted to put there. This is what I wanted to put there. Right now I'm seeing something that looks like opportunity on this trade. Okay, and I just want to draw it out and see how it goes. Okay, I want to draw this out and see how it goes. I want to see I want to see if we can actually get an opportunity or an entry from this. All right. I want to see if we can actually get an entry from this. If you have your real account, you can prepare it down. Okay. If we get an entry, I'm actually going to call out the trade and we take the trade together here and now. Okay. So I see somebody said explain the concept of trading psychology. That's a beautiful question. That's a very beautiful question. Okay. So trading psychology. Okay. I love this. I love this. I love this. Okay, so I see the first question is please explain the concept of trading psychology. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that. And then teach us risk management. That is a beautiful question. That is beautiful. Show us how to sell. Don't worry, I'm going to show you everything. You see, I love interactions. Okay, I love when I'm teaching and then the students are, interacting, telling us, okay, telling me, okay, please do this. Let's do this today. I love it. Okay, please keep the questions coming. All right. In fact, the thing they ginger me. Okay, and then please show us the Fibonacci strategy. Wow. You want me to show you my Fibonacci strategy? Go and fund the account. Go and fund your account with $15, at least $15, and I'll teach you my Fibonacci strategy. Okay, guys, this is what we are here for. Okay, we are here to learn. You understand? And I'm here to teach you how you can become profitable in your forex journey. So first of all, let me explain the concept of trading psychology. You see, trading psychology has to do with, I think, mostly with your way of seeing the market. All right. So it's a psychological way of seeing the market, how you view the market. Okay. In forex analysis, we have three kind of analysis actually. All right. I didn't mention it earlier because I didn't think it was important to to go into to mention rather. But since you are asking about the concept of trading psychology right now, let me just give you a glimpse of the other analysis. All right, just as we have this technical analysis, we also have the fundamental analysis, and then the third one is the sentiment analysis. All right, is the sentiment analysis. So this sentiment analysis, this more with our psychological way of seeing the market, how you view the market. Okay, so if you're not strong, let me use the word strong. If you are not strong, you might encounter more losses in the forex market. Okay, because forex deals mostly with your lifestyle, the kind of person you are. All right. If you are an angry person, if you are somebody that gets angry easily, if you are somebody that you are scared of, investing, if you are somebody that when you lose small amount of money, you you look away from such thing, you start feeling like I beg. I know if we do this kind of thing again, I beg. Some people say as I do, I might lose 5 naira. I beg. I know they like this kind of thing. So that is what psychology is all about. You understand? So if you are this kind of person, you want to work on yourself before you can become a profitable forex trader. All right, you want to work on yourself because it will be hard. You understand? It will be hard to be a forex trader, to be a sentimental forex trader. You don't want to be too sentiment. All right. What you want to do basically is you want to see the market for what it is. All right. What is going on? What is really going on in this market? Am I supposed to buy or am I supposed to sell? Okay. So you need to build your psychology. See, let me tell you something. I can't build your psychology for you. Okay, I can only give you advice on how you can build your psychology. All right, but I can't build it for you because your personal life and my personal life is quite different. Okay, we are different people. You understand? So you need to know, you need to find your weakness. when it comes to losing money. Don't just focus on the winning part of trading. Okay, also think about the losing part of it. If you are thinking of let me deposit $100 and make $500 within today to Friday, all just have it in your mind also that just as you are thinking that you can make $500 between now and Thursday and Friday, you can also lose $500 between now and Friday. All right. So if you are the kind of person that always have this in mind before you go into the forex market, seriously, you are going to be profitable. Okay, because you are going there with two mind, the mind of I can lose, and I can win, and that is going to make you, you know, be very, how do I put this? How do I say this? Uh, you learn how to manage your risk very well. Okay, because if you have this mind, you don't want to go into the market and start losing all of your $100. All right, so you want to risk little. You want to risk maybe like let's say I have $100. Let me risk. Okay, I'm looking to open at least. I know I can't lose 20 trades now. So this week I want to place 20 trades for this week. Okay, so maybe okay, I'll be taking four trades per day. You understand? And on that four trade, let me be risking for $5 or let me be risking for $4. You understand? So that is how to trade in a psychological way. Okay, if you are balanced psychologically, you will not lose too much trade. Okay, so like I said, I can't teach you how to become, how to get that psychology in trading. I can only tell you, explain. All right, things you need to know, things you need to follow. And again, for you that is asking me to teach you risk management also comes with trading psychology. All right, they are, in fact, they are intertwined. Okay, the both of them, they can't do without each other. They can't do without each other because if you are very okay in terms of psychologically, if you know what you are doing psychologically, you learn to risk wisely. Okay, you learn to risk wisely. So talking about risk management now, yeah, talking about risk management, let me just explain a little bit about risk management. Risk management is actually something that you need to learn also. Okay, because like I said, it's part of psychology, trading psychology. Okay, you want to be able to take trades, all right, and not risk too much. That is risk management. So let's assume that I have $100 account right now. Oh, okay. No, let me not use $100 account. Let me use $15 account for example, because the minimum requirement you need to get for you to get into my premium group is $15. So let's use $15 for example. You have $15. All right. Stop thinking about $15. Let me take it to $100 within this week. Stop thinking about that, please. Stop thinking. That's it. That's a bad psychology. Okay, that's a losing psychology. Let me tell you that. That is a losing psychology. In forex trading, you want to accumulate. There's what we call system of accumulation. Okay, just have maybe like a jotter or whatever it is that you write, maybe like a diary, a small booklet. Okay, whatever trade you take today, your losses, your winnings, just write it out. All right, try and make a journal for whatever it is that you do, your daily activities, your trading activities. Make sure you are journaling them down. Okay, so when you have this down, look at how much you are risking. You have $15 account, write $15. Now break this $15 down. If I should open a trade with $2 and I make $4, that's a good profit. But if I lose $2, will I be okay if I lose the $2 out of the $15? That means my money will be remaining, my fund will be remaining $13. Am I gonna be okay after losing the $2? You understand? Those are the trading psychologies that a trader should focus on. You want to read that's why the forex brokers will always warn you, always risk what you can afford to lose. You understand? So always risk what you can afford to do doesn't just mean that don't borrow money from the bank. No. That's not what they're saying. Yeah, borrowing money from the bank is very bad. It's a bad idea. Let me tell you that. Okay. And then what they're actually telling you is that when you come into trading and you want to risk, Make sure you are risking something that you will be comfortable with, not something that when you lose, you'll be like, ah, well, I no trade again, Jerry. Took trade today. Out of my $20, I already lose. I lose $10 already now. So how much is remaining? Let me just withdraw the remaining money and use it to do whatever I want to do. No, 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 no. That is not how to trade. All right. So you want to protect your capital. I will advise you as a professional, if you have $15, make sure you are risking $1.5 or even $1. All right. Don't go above 0.01. Okay. Don't go above 0.01. Stick to 0.01 if you and don't open multiple positions. Because I learned that some of us who will start opening multiple positions because you want to make sharp profit. No, open one position. Even if that go into loss, at least you still have 14 to $13.5. Yeah, you are not going to lose 15 trades, 13 trades just like that. You some trades will go into profit. All right, even though it doesn't go into profit today or it doesn't go into profit now, doesn't mean that you will not find another trade that will go into profit. All right, that is risk management. Okay, you want to stick to I have $15, so let me be using 0.01 and be opening just one position. Okay, so if I lose this trade, it doesn't matter now. I'll, you know, take other trades that will go into profit. You understand? You understand? So that is how to manage risks. All right. Sorry guys, just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, so let's continue, guys. So still talking about risk management. Still talking about risk management. Make sure you are protecting your capital. All right. So if you have little amount of money, you don't want to risk too much. All right. Like I've said, if you have $10, make sure you are not risking. If you have $10, in fact, don't risk more than $1. Okay, if you have $10, don't risk more than $1. It is very, very, very important. You see, forex is all about accumulation. All right, you want to accumulate profits. You have $10, even if it is $5, you are able to make in a week. Guys, that is enough profit. See, if you learn this thing, if you are able to learn this thing that I'm telling you right now, ah, seriously, trust me, you will become profitable. Okay, nobody has that 100% strategy. Nobody has that holy grail. Okay, so we even I myself, I'm a professional forex trader. Trade I make my living from trading the financial market, the forex market. Okay, I don't have a 100% strategy. All right, so what I do is I just try to make sure that my winning rate is higher than my losing rate. Yeah, and then, how do I do this? I do it by managing my risk. So, assuming I have $1,000 account right now, I don't want to risk too much. In fact, in a trade, I might not make more than maybe 25 to $50. It doesn't matter. Okay, as far as the interest is accumulating and I'm not losing the one that is in there, I'm okay. You understand? So that is how to manage your risk. Please, if you have a small amount of money in your account, always use the lowest lot size. Don't ever go above 0.01. All right? If you are risking $1, you are risking $2, that is okay. All right? Please, it is very important. That is risk management. That is the only way. Stick to that. Okay, so and then the more you make profit, okay, let's assume you are starting with $15 right now, then maybe by the end of the week you are able to raise it to $30. The whole of your money in your account right now is now $30. That means you started with $15 and then you have a profit of $15, making it $30. Yeah. By next week, you are still using 0.01, but you can now open two positions. You understand? That means the same risk that you applied last week is the same thing that you're applying this week. You understand? So you are still going to make more than you made last week. That is how to trade the forex market. That is how to trade it professionally. That is how to manage your risk. All right. So the Fibonacci strategy, yes, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you because we are here to learn. All right. I'm not the kind of person or the kind of teacher that hide things. I don't hide. Okay, I don't hide anything. This is the Fibonacci strategy. So I'm going to show you how the Fibonacci works. Okay, this is the Fibonacci. And most of the time, the Fibonacci, you want to draw it. Okay, so let me just use it the way I use it. All right, let me use it the way I use it. What you want to do is, if you want to draw your Fibonacci, is you want to mark out your recent high, or rather, you want to make sure you get your highs right and then your recent low right. Okay, so this market make the move from here to this downside. Okay, so when it got to this level, the market started, making a move to the upside. Now I want to know where the market is going to reject from. Okay, I want to know where the market will get to and start going down. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let's use this first. See, look at this. Look what happened here. You see, this is my high. Okay, this is a high. So let's assume this market came down to this level. Okay, came down all the way here to create this low. All right, and then the market started coming down, started making a move to the down, to the upside. I already have this confirmation here. Okay, that this is a the market is making a reversal to the opposite direction. Okay, so it was previously an uptrend, and now it's creating is creating is um going to the downtrend. Okay, so it's moving to the downtrend right now. What I want to do is I want to draw my Fibonacci from the top to the recent low that the market just created. When the market was around here, it came down to this level. All right. Then when I met it here, yeah, I didn't know the market was going to start coming up. Okay. How do I know this market is this is where I should draw my Fibonacci to? Maybe this is where I met the market. Okay. Now I already have this low. You understand? And then I drew my Fibonacci from this top here to this area. The market is already around this area. So when I have my Fibonacci here, you see, this is what my Fibonacci is telling me, that this market is coming to this zone. And what happened? Immediately it got to see, it started from here because this is where the high is, and this is where this market got to before it started making a move to the upside. So when I drew it from here to this area, look what happened. Okay, look what happened. When the market got to the area, it started going down immediately. All right. So now let's use it on a live market and see what is going to happen. Let's use this on a live market. So this is a live market right now. We have this high here. This is the high that hasn't gotten broken. This is a low. Okay. This is a previous low. So now I want to take my Fibonacci from this high to the low. Okay. I want to take it to the low and see what is happening. So you see right now the market is, you see, look at what is happening. It's rejecting on this area, this red area. It's rejecting it because that is where my price always get to and start to reverse. Okay. So anywhere around all of this area, even though it is not this red, as far as it is still within this area, as far as it's still within this area, the trade here is still valid. Okay. The market can just decide to start going down from this zone right now. All right. So what I love to do most of the time is, when I have this kind of market setup, I wait for this market. Okay, I want to see what is going to happen. Most of the times, I'll go to my lower time frame and start to view this market here. What is going on around this area? All right, and that is how I'm going to get my entry. That is how I'll be sure that okay, oh, this market will actually go down. You understand? You might not be able to use this Fibonacci right now. So even though I teach you, no matter how much I want to teach you here, it might be a little bit hard because this is a Fibonacci for professionals. You understand? It's a Fibonacci for the professionals. If you are already a professional and you know how to find your way around using Fibonacci, that is how you get the point of drawing the Fibonacci, because there's no way I'm going to explain this to you that it would actually make sense. Okay, but the only thing that I can do for you is, if you are already a forex trader and you are with us here, I will give you the settings. All right, I'll give you the settings. So maybe if you have the settings, you can use it on your own. So just take this screenshot. Okay, this is just the settings. Okay, these are just the settings. Just take this screenshot. Okay, take this screenshot and use it on your own Fibonacci. Okay, those are the Fibonacci retracement levels. This is 0, this is 0.71, 1, and then 0.79. Those are the only Fibonacci settings that I have on my Fibo retracement. Okay, so when you have this, just draw from the high to the low. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame and let me show you another way to use this. Let me show you another way. So you see, this is a low and this is a high. Okay, so I'm going to take my Fibonacci retracement tools out now and draw it from this low to this high. Why did I draw it from the low to the high? Because the market started making the move from here, and look at this. The market is already making a move to the downside. So I want to know if when this market gets to this area, if it's going to continue to go up. Okay. So I'll wait for this market now to get to this point. When it gets to this point, if I get a rejection, that is when I'll take my trade that this market will continue to the upside. It's just as easy as that. Okay. That is just the simple Fibonacci retracement uh, uh, strategy. Okay. So it's very easy. Okay, and I'm sure you've taken the screenshot. If you haven't, let me just bring it out once more. Let me bring it out once more. So you see, you can just screenshot it and enter it on your own chart also. All right, and then for the last question, how to sell. Okay, so for that, let me bring out my chart. All right, let me bring out my chart. So let me quickly do that because we are running behind schedule. We are supposed to end this session around 8 sharp. So we have just 5 minutes more to round up. Okay. So this is how to buy and sell. Okay. For you that ask how you can sell, this is how you buy or sell. So if you come to the homepage, the BtcDana trading application homepage, okay, you want to go to market. All right, you want to go to market like this and choose any of the pair you want to trade on. Okay, those are the popular assets, those are the popular instruments. Okay, you can choose anyone. You can come to forex and choose if or if you have any other one, maybe a signal it's not listed among the popular, you can just go there and enter it. Okay, any pair at all, as far as you are seeing the name: euro, usd, gbp, jpy. J. When I press J, brought out GBP, JPY instantly. All right. So search for any pair or any instrument you want to trade on. And then after searching it, just click on it. Okay. Just click on any pair. So you see, I click on XAU USD right now. So I'm on my demo account. Okay. I'm on my demo account. You can do this with me. Just, for you to know how to place trade. All right. So this is your buy. This is your sell. All right, you can click any of these. If it is a buy, you click on buy. You see it brought out where I can enter my stop loss and my take profit. Okay, so you can just click here, enter your take profit and enter your SL. Okay, and then you click on buy. All right, so you see order successful. So it's very easy. You see, if you want to sell also, you click on sell. You see, if you have your TP and your stop loss, that's your take profit and your stop loss. They are numbers. If you don't know what TP or stop loss is, so right now, let's assume, okay, I bought this earlier. I click on buy. Okay. So when I click on buy now, there will be a particular place I want my trade to get to before I take my profit. All right. That is if I'm in profit. So I can actually set it to this number. This is 1918.49. Yeah. So I can just come to my take profit and enter it that when this movement gets to 1918.49, yeah, give me my profit. And I'm not trading anymore. That is take profit. All right. And then the stop loss, which is the SL, is I'm telling this market that okay, since I say buy and then you start to sell, when we click on buy, if this market start to sell now, that means we are losing, isn't it? So if this market is losing, when you get to 1912.69, please close it. I don't want to lose anymore. That is stop loss. All right. So it's very easy. Okay, you just want to write out these numbers. All right, you just write them out, and then when you come to your buy or sell, when you click on any of them, you want to set it here. Okay, the one for your SL, that is when you are losing, where you want the market to stop losing to. That is where you enter the number here, and then if you are on profit, where you want the market to get to and give you the profit that you've made, that is the number you enter for TP. All right, and then you click on sell. It's just as easy as that, guys. And then if you want to check your trade, come to trading. All right, if you want to check your trade, come to trading. If you're not sure, if you don't know how to do this, you can just go back home. Maybe you don't understand, or maybe you are on your home page and you don't know where to look for your trade. Just come to trading here. Okay, the middle option. Okay, just click on it, and then when you click on it, see, it brought me to, this is weekly. Okay, this is the previous result of trade, and then this is a pending trade. If you have a pending trade, this is where where you get them, and then the market that we just opened will be on the position. Okay, so I will have a position running right now. You see the market is running already. Okay, so this is the XAUUSD, the one we sold and the one we bought. All right, so that is that about opening positions. Right. So guys, it's 8 o'clock already. I think we should end our session for today here. All right, we are going to continue by God's grace tomorrow evening. Okay, so tomorrow afternoon is for analysis and placing trade together. All right, so please go and get your account ready. Okay, go and fund your account. And if you want to fund to be qualified to join my premium group, fund on this live stream, and make sure you are funding at least $15. Okay, and if you want to do that, just go to the chat room right now, click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So when you click on it, it's going to take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Okay, where you can fund your account. So make sure you are funding your account with $15 so that you'll be qualified to join my premium membership. All right. Once you fund your account, let me know in the chat room below, and then I'll attend to you and add you to my premium membership. All right. So guys, tomorrow is another day. Let's go and rest. Okay, we've tried for today. Let's go and rest. Tomorrow afternoon, come with your live account, with your real account, with the money you funded. Let's make money together. Okay, let's break the forex market. Let's make the dollar. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed evening.